want to agree with my colleagues here. You know, it's an affront to the Kenyan people, really, for people to imagine that attending this debate is a favor to us. It is a right that Kenyans need to hear from their leaders or their potential leaders. It is a right for us to be told, not in public rallies, but we want to hear from people what they mean for this country. It is extremely disappointing to have, I don't know whether they take us for a joke as a Kenyan voter, or I don't understand, Larry, because this, to me, whether you like it or not, is becoming part of the electioneering process. And every politician must take this debate very seriously. And I think the Kenyan person has moved from those days where you will take us for granted, tell us those things that you wish you should tell us. We want to listen, because by listening to you in this kind of debates, we can pick your brains, you know?
Right.
The Kenyans can pick your brains, they can know what type of person you are, and even if Jubilee is going to be re-elected, from this point moving forward, we shall know the type of leaders we have. So I think in terms of our national security, in terms of where they stand in the overall security of this country, regional security, and the cooperation of international partners, we will have had this from the ruling party and the people who want to come and take over this leadership of this country. So I think, Larry, it is it's annoying.
It is annoying, you say?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I want to bring you now to your attention.